totoo ba?
Mr. World Philippines
Nepal.
now in a national
Ay!
costume named Warrior, which is a tribute to the rich heritage of the mountainous province of Igorot. The diversity and complexity in the seams of this outfit showcase the
Oh my
creativity
God!
of the local women. The outer armor creates the image of a water buffalo ready to hunt with courage and determination to protect the ancestors. The image of a rice god decorates the headdress,
Oh my
honoring the
God!
agricultural livelihood of the Filipino people.
Ang ganda ng katawan! Oh my God, he's so handsome.
Hi, Vietnam, and to everybody who is watching right now. Kirk Bonnet is my name. As a fitness coach, brand endorser, and content creator, I help people to be better than yesterday. But today, I'm representing the might and the proud of the Republic of the Philippines!
Oh my God! Panalo ng Sharap! Yummy! Ang ganda ng katawan, my God! He's so handsome, mga buweks. Ayoko na. Ang ganda ng katawan niya. Ang gwapo niya. In fairness, nag-glow siya. Mas bet ko na siya ngayon. Grabe ka, Kirk! Ayoko na, Kirk! Grabe ka! Babuyin mo ako, Kirk! Babuyin mo ako ng bonggang-bongga! Charing! Tangina, ang sarap, mga buwegs! Ay, naka. Sumasakit ang ulo ko, Kurt! Grabe! Ayoko na. Winner. Love it. At saka yung performance niya, yung execution. Diyos ko, ayoko na! Sumasakit ang ulo ko, Kurt! Nabertigo ako. Charot. Oh my God, pukinang ina. Ang gwapo. Ay, Diyos ko, ayoko na. Winner.
This national costume of Sri Lanka, the unique blend of strength and mysticism with the story of Hakanda.
Ayoko na yung mga sumunod. Grabe! Shit! Ang ganda pa ng accent, no? Ang ganda magsalita. Laban na laban! Ganon dapat, di ba, Philippines? Pag nagre-represent ng country natin, no, sa mga national costume, dapat ganyan kay Kirk. Nako, dapat anuhin nyo yan. Tularan nyo, no? Total performer. Tangina, hindi ko kinaya. Ayoko na.